This is Monica from the Baker branch, and today I am going to show you guys how to do a DIY Play-Doh. And today I have two little helpers. Let them say hi.
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 Mariah?
Hi.
Okay, she doesn't want to say hi. Okay, so today's ingredients, you are only going to need 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 1.5 cup of hot water, but if the little kids are making this, just be careful. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and food coloring of your choice. Usually the recipe has it calls for the gel food coloring, but I don't have gel food coloring, so we're just gonna work with what we have. Okay, so okay, so let's start. Oh. Okay, guys, come on, sit at your stations. Ouch. Okay, so Mariah, where's your mixing bowl? Oops, I don't know where the light's on. Okay, so first I covered up the table with a beach towel because I didn't want to get any of the food coloring anywhere. So I have an empty bowl. You could probably use a bigger bowl if you want. So first you are going to add 1 cup of flour. Okay. And then next you are going to add 1/4 cup of salt. Yes. So if you have some ingredients at home, hopefully you can use them.
That's enough.
Okay, so there's my salt. I'm going to add it to theirs.
I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it in.
There's yours. Let me see yours, Mariah.
Can you put it in?
Okay, Mariah's going to add her salt. Okay, and then next you're just going to mix it in. So usually the mixing part is the quickest part. The longest part is probably going to be the kneading of it. Okay, now that we have that, we are going to get a separate smaller bowl, and we are going to add half a cup of hot water. No, don't mix it, guys. Here's your hot water. Be careful. Get your spoon. Okay, and next you are just going to add food coloring. So I'm going to do... It's okay. So next I'm going to add my food coloring. I kind of want mine darker. Okay, guys, you can add your food coloring, guys.
How much colors?
Just 1 color.
Can I put the water?
You gotta mix the food coloring in.
I did.
In the water.
Oh, I have to scoop it in?
You have to mix the food coloring in the bowl right here.
No, I have to pour it in? Look. That's cool.
Here, do you want green or red?
Do I pour it in?
Not yet.
It looks like blood. She's dripping in.
Okay. So yeah. This one's a little different because I do have helpers and, oh no, he's doing it wrong. Okay, so next you are going to get 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Okay, let me go to that.
I'm done with mine. That was mine. Do you mix this?
Not yet, guys.
I messed up. It's not gonna look good. So
It's okay. It's okay.
Can I pour it in now? You can try it again.
Not yet. Okay, so here I have 1 tablespoon.
I need a napkin.
Okay.
I'm going to napkin.
I am going to now add my mixed food coloring and water.
Can I do that now?
Yes, you guys follow along, please. I'm gonna mix my 1 teaspoon, and now I'm gonna pour another teaspoon. Tablespoon, sorry.
Here's your napkin. Here's your napkin. That is my... Do I mix it up now?
I know it looks all crazy right now, so let me just show you the...
Do we mix it up?
Yes. Let me add your oil. Yeah, go ahead and add that, guys. Mariah, go ahead. Oh, do you want me to show you pouring it?
No, it's okay.
Okay, Mariah is going to pour hers in now.
You mine is sticky.
It's supposed to be a little sticky. Okay.
We're making slime. No.
We're making
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
It's not supposed to be this wet.
Okay, so Mariah's is
mine. It
mixing
looks
some
nasty.
oil.
Mine looks nasty. I think I'm not gonna want it.
How come?
Because it looks nasty. Look. Doesn't it look nasty?
Well, it's because we haven't finished it yet.
Mine's getting dry.
Yes, go ahead and pour your oil.
Mine
Here you
is
go.
dry. Mine is so... It's thick. It's sticking to mine too.
Okay, so
It's not coming off.
here, pour your other. It's okay. It's okay.
This is fun.
Okay, so the little brother's not enjoying his yet. And apparently he isn't a fan of Play-Doh, but which kid isn't a fan of Play-Doh?
Monica, you said little brother like in movie. Little brother.
Okay, so we're just gonna mix it. So just try to mix it as much as possible.
Look, Monica.
Nice job, Mariah.
We made the same color, Nana.
Yeah, we made the same color.
I like to be different. Mine likes to be the same. Red.
Oops. Okay, so once your guys's once your guys' consistency starts to look like mine, you can
Like
or Mariah's
Like
or
this
one of theirs. I think his is missing a little bit. No, you just have to mix it, brother. Just mix it, please.
Okay, time to pour the Play-Doh.
Good. Oh yeah, Mariah has like perfect consistency right there. Show it, Mariah. Okay, now you can pour it onto. Now you can pour it onto the.
Hey, this is Kool-Aid and it's red, and that's red.
Mariah. Now you can pour it onto the table.
So I have a napkin. I got you guys a napkin.
Yeah, it might get a little messy, guys.
So I got you a napkin. Am I done?
You can pour it onto the bottom now.
I need to pee.
Okay, thank you.
I'm missing the video.
Okay, Mariah, now start kneading it.
It smells like a batter of cake or something.
Okay.
It smells good. Wait, we're using our hands to mix it now?
So now you're just gonna knead it.
With our hands?
Yeah. Try to get everything in it. And the more you knead it, the smoother it become.
It feels so
So mine probably, it seems like it has way more flour than Mariah's does.
It looks like mud but red.
So like usually this will last possibly like a week or more as long as you put it in a Ziploc bag. And
I don't
possibly
think mine is done.
you just have to mix it. Okay, let's switch to Mariah's. Okay. Hers is coming out pretty good.
I did not.
I think Mariah, do you have any more flour in your bowl?
Yes.
Okay, add the flour to your Play-Doh.
Mine doesn't look good. It's wet.
You have to keep mixing it.
I need help mixing it. Ooh, this is soft.
Yeah.
Mine is like sticky.
Yeah, yours needs the rest of the yes, the flour.
Or also be slime. Or like.
Maybe next time we can make a slime.
Yay!
Maybe an edible slime.
Oh, I know how to make that. I did it in 3rd grade. At the school. Mine is wet.
You just have to keep mixing it.
This is wet. Mine is
So this is like a fun little activity to get anybody, especially kids, just doing something besides on a screen. Get their hands dirty a little bit.
I got mine sticky.
Yeah, it's okay. You just got to mix some more flour.
Okay.
Okay, so my consistency is pretty much basically done.
Oh, yours is lighter.
So I've made Play-Doh. So the more you knead it, the more
Oh, now I know.
the more smoother it'll become and easier to get some shapes. So I went along. I'm just gonna flatten it.
Need a cookie cutter?
Yes.
I'll give you this.
So I have a little bit of excess flour on my
This flour.
cutting board. So yeah, I just got some cookie cutters that I have at home. And again, this is all stuff that I have at home.
Nana,
So
mom is sticking on me. Oh, mine is. Ooh.
we made
That's why I give you enough.
little shapes, and that's it, guys. That's how you make homemade Play-Doh with homemade ingredients.
Yeah, hers is more better. Mine is like a big old ginormous ball.
So let's go back and let's see how theirs came out.
Mine is still the same.
So Mariah's is still the same. She needs a little bit more flour because hers is a little
There's more
sticky.
in here.
It's okay. I have more right here.
Okay.
My brother, he is almost done. He just needs to knead it more and add the rest of his flour that was in his bowl.
That's because I'm taking my time.
And
We still have a little more.
yeah, thank you guys for
Checking out
participating
your video.
and checking out this video. Check out more online free stuff that
You're
the
gonna
KCL.
do that next.
Sorry.
Video.
Go ahead and stop by the KernCountyLibrary.org and check out all of the free resources that the library does offer. There's so much that we offer. My siblings the other day, they actually started to learn how to type already. So that was one of the free resources that we use from the library website. And I hope to see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be putting the ingredients in the comment section. And thank you guys. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Bye.